Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel from Oak Health, and today I would like to share with you a product that our clinic came up with, our very own Immune Plus. As I've mentioned in my previous video, the immune system is a very important tool to help you to prevent diseases, especially for the past 2 years where COVID-19 was a pandemic that shocked the world. The Immune Plus is a precursor to be able to help you to prevent diseases like cough, cold and flu. So what is the Immune Plus? The Immune Plus is our very own formula that our clinic came up with after much research and development. The Immune Plus is a combination of supplementary vitamins and TCM herbs which comes together to build up your immune system. As what I've mentioned in my previous video, the immune system is a complex system which helps you to fight and prevent diseases. So which part of the immune system are we tackling using the Immune Plus? Basically, the lungs, which is the respiratory system, and the digestive health. Both of these play a large part in helping you to prevent cough, cold, flu, and related symptoms. The Immune Plus has a variety of ingredients inside. So I'll just touch on a few main ingredients. First of all, huang qi. Huang qi is a very important ingredient in our Immune Plus, and it helps to boost up the qi, which is the vital energy, as what I mentioned in my previous video, that helps to strengthen up our lungs and our spleen. Next, Pao Shen or American ginseng. The American ginseng is known to help to stimulate brain activity and to help promote healing in our lungs and digestive. And definitely it also helps to boost up the qi or the vital energy in our body. Next, propolis. Propolis has a very high antibacterial and antiviral property, and it helps to prevent diseases related to viruses or bacteria at the same time. And definitely vitamin C. Vitamin C is also another key ingredient in our Immune Plus. And the vitamin C helps to boost up our respiratory and digestive health. And on top of all these ingredients, definitely there's one particular ingredient that I would like to mention, and that is rosebuds. We added rosebuds into our Immune Plus because we realized that a source of immune system being weakened is because of stress. And stress, as we all know, affects our health in one way or another, or multiple ways as well. So therefore we added rosebud into our Immune Plus so as to help to elevate symptoms of stress. So other ingredients in our Immune Plus includes the maitong, baizhu, baihe, and chen-pi. So all this comes together to form a formula which helps to strengthen up your lungs, your digestive, and your emotional health as well. So who should be consuming the Immune Plus? Basically, anyone 3 years and above will be suitable to consume the Immune Plus. For kids, their lungs and digestion are still developing. So consuming the Immune Plus will be able to help them to build up a stronger lungs and digestive health so as to prevent diseases like cough, cold, and flu. For the young adults and those adults at work, or those who face stress on a day-to-day basis, the Immune Plus will help to strengthen up the immune system so as to be able to fight the stress that comes in our daily lives. For the elderly, as we all know, when you grow old, your immune system takes a dent. And when you start to take the Immune Plus, you will find that your immune system will start to improve, especially more so your respiratory and digestive health. Do take note that the Immune Plus is slightly on the warmer side. So, if you do experience a little bit of dry stools or dry throat, just consume more water. It will be able to help you to solve the issue. And for expectant mothers, please do seek professional advice before consuming the Immune Plus. So next, let's move on to some of the commonly asked questions that patients do ask us when they do consider whether to purchase the Immune Plus or whether to consume the Immune Plus. So for patients with diabetes, high blood pressure, or high cholesterol, or for that matter, chronic diseases, the Immune Plus is all the more suitable for you. Why? Because your immune system is all the more important when you have chronic diseases. As we all know, many people who pass away from COVID is because of complications. And when your immune system is not strong, it takes a toll on your body all the more. For pregnant ladies or breastfeeding mothers, I would suggest that you seek professional advice before consuming the Immune Plus. For breastfeeding mothers, it will not affect the development of the child. Instead, it will give a strong foundation for your child's immune system as well. When you are having COVID-19, at this point of time, it will not be advisable for you to take the Immune Plus. The Immune Plus is formulated to take before or after having the COVID-19. It's to help to boost up the immune system. As I mentioned earlier, the formula is a little bit on the warmer side. So if you do experience symptoms of COVID, things like sore throat, fever, dry stools, please do not consume the Immune Plus. But consume the Immune Plus after your symptoms are elevated, and that will help you to recover faster as well. A very common question. Definitely, the Immune Plus, as what I've mentioned just now, can help to prevent COVID. Because of the ingredients inside and the research that we have done, it helps to strengthen up your lungs and digestive health, which are the two areas that the virus will attack first when it enters the body. For patients who are already consuming Chinese medicine, definitely it will be possible for you to consume the Immune Plus. The Immune Plus usually will not have any interference with any medicine that you're taking, whether it's Chinese medicine or Western medicine. It serves as more of a supplement for you to boost up your immune system and your lungs and digestive health. For eczema patients, I would not suggest that you take the Immune Plus when you have a flare-up. Usually for eczema patients having a flare-up, the body is on the heaty side. So when you do consume the Immune Plus, your flare-up can get worse. So I would suggest not to take the Immune Plus when you have a flare-up during your eczema. Vegetarians, definitely. If you are vegetarian, definitely the Immune Plus is suitable for you. But do take note that for patients who are vegan, because of the propolis inside the Immune Plus, it will not be suitable for you, unfortunately. Definitely taking less than the recommended dosage will not be as effective, because after much research, the recommended dosage serves to help you to strengthen your lungs and digestive health just the right way. So before we end, I'd just like to share some experience that we have when patients purchase or consume the Immune Plus. I have patients who consume the Immune Plus and they came back to feedback to us that they sleep better. It is one unanimous result of the Immune Plus. As we know, many patients or many people around the world or in Singapore are having stress-related issues causing insomnia or sleeplessness. And Immune Plus helps to provide a platform for you to sleep better. And when you do sleep better, your immune system definitely will rise up, will be able to get better. And of course, we have patients who come back to feedback to us that after consuming the Immune Plus, they feel more energetic, they feel more energy in the day. And definitely a strong point of strengthening your lungs and digestive health is where your qi starts to boost up, your vital energy starts to boost up. And when your vital energy boosts up, you will get more energy for you to carry out your daily activities. And there's this other account from a patient that came back to feedback to us after consuming the Immune Plus for a month or so. The entire family was down with COVID, but she did not get COVID at all. And she was very amazed as to how she was able to take care of her family members when they were having COVID and still not contact COVID. So the Immune Plus definitely will be able to help you to boost up your immune system. And the immune system, as what I've mentioned, is a very important precursor for you to prevent and to fight diseases on a day-to-day basis. This is a very common question that I receive. And for those of you who are experiencing a lot of side effects post-COVID, all the more you should be consuming the Immune Plus. For side effects such as brain fog, breathlessness, digestive issues, and so on, all the more the Immune Plus will provide a platform for you to boost up this respiratory and digestive health, so as to help you to prevent long COVID symptoms. These long COVID symptoms are symptoms that a lot of my patients have been experiencing post-COVID, and I will usually encourage them to take the Immune Plus on top of their regular medicine that I prescribe, because the Immune Plus has been shown to help to reduce the side effects that comes along post-COVID. For those of you with food allergies, please do check the ingredient list so that you do not take anything which you are allergic to. A very common one will be propolis. If you do have allergic reactions to honey, please do check before consuming the Immune Plus. Consuming the Immune Plus is very simple. You can be taken before or after your meal, just like other supplements. Okay, whenever you are taking your Western medication, it's good to have a 1 hour gap in between so that you do not mix the both of them together. For Chinese medicine, you can take them together with the Immune Plus, no issues at all. So coming to the end, if you do have any other questions that you have regarding the Immune Plus, please do feel free to comment on our comments page below, and we will do our best to answer you. And should you feel that you would like to purchase the Immune Plus, you can always drop us a text, or you can buy them from Lazada, Shopee, or our clinic website. And with that, we thank you so much for watching this video and letting us introduce the Immune Plus to you. I would like to reiterate again, it's very important to build up your immune system, not only for the COVID-19, but for your day-to-day basis. There will be more and more diseases, viruses that may pop up in the future. So the basis of how you prevent diseases is to strengthen your immune system. And the immune system starts with you. Thank you.